Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out another hair hack specifically for you. Is your scalp dry, flaky, and irritated? You've tried so many things and still no results? Well, hopefully after this video, you see a difference. With these two ingredients that I'm pretty sure you already have at home, say goodbye to those scalp issues. This recipe is super easy and affordable and has great results in acting as a clarifying shampoo, removing oils and buildup, relieving dandruff, scalp irritation, and can even help with hair growth.
Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
We all know how beneficial baking soda is when it comes to cleaning our teeth, cleaning our house, and I bet you didn't know the benefits it has on our hair. Baking soda is known to be an exfoliating ingredient, so it can be used in place of a shampoo. So right now I'm just taking a plastic bottle and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm just going to fill the rest of the bottle with warm water, mix it really well, and then we're going to transfer it into my applicator bottle. And of course you want to use some type of funnel only because it prevents mess. And I'm also going to use this comb applicator bottle, which I really love. I actually got it off of Amazon. If you're interested, I'll link it, but it makes it so much easier for application, especially when we're using it for the scalp. In the event that you don't have this comb applicator, feel free to use whatever you have, but these are my top 3. I have a mist spray bottle and just a regular spray bottle that you can get from the dollar store, but whatever works for you, it's all about preference. So for my second ingredient, I'm going to use Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. Make sure to shake it really well. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of that, pour it into a plastic bottle, and also fill that up with warm water. So there are many reasons why your scalp can get itchy. Of course, climate can play a big part. Psoriasis, scalp dermatitis, an allergic reaction, medical issues, that's just a few, but in my case, I have an overabundance of product buildup. So before application, I'm just going to follow up and saturate my hair just to help remove some of the buildup in my scalp. So let's start off with baking soda and its main benefits. It helps to combat with dryness, removes buildup, decreases dandruff and irritation, and it can help with hair growth. So how often can you use it? Baking soda can be used weekly or monthly depending on your texture and state of the hair, but when using this, be sure to never use baking soda by itself because it can cause irritation. It must be diluted with water, and overuse of baking soda can strip the hair's natural oils, leading to breakage. So if your hair is severely damaged, I wouldn't recommend this method. So here I'm just applying it to my scalp, and you can just put it down the length of your hair if you'd like, and then I'm going to follow up and give myself a nice scalp massage with my tips of my fingers, and then I'm going to follow up with my scalp massager to really ensure that my scalp is getting cleansed and everything is nice and removed from my scalp. Now I'm just going to let it sit in my hair for up to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it with warm water. This baking soda treatment can be used as a shampoo as well as a pre-poo, or you can even mix the baking soda with your shampoo as long as it's very moisturizing. Being that baking soda is very alkaline and has a pH of 9, which opens the hair cuticle, it's very necessary to follow up with something that's acidic to balance that out. So let's talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance your hair's pH, which promotes hair growth. The fizz from the apple cider vinegar removes buildup, relieves itchy scalp, and it softens the hair. Apple cider vinegar helps to seal the hair's cuticle, to defrizz and give it shine. It will also rebalance the scalp's pH after using baking soda, helping the scalp to stay moisturized and protected. And let me just say, it makes my curls pop, y'all, every single time. So despite the rancid smell, the benefits are amazing. After giving myself a nice massage, I usually let this sit in for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse with cool water. Cool water is going to close those cuticles and seal in that moisture, and that's exactly what we want. Another good thing about using apple cider vinegar is that once you rinse it out, the smell dissipates, so you don't have to worry about your scalp smelling like feet. If you still feel uneasy about it, you could definitely follow up with a conditioner. But let me just tell you guys and show you guys how amazing my scalp looks and feels. It's super white, it's super clean, and I literally use absolutely no shampoo for this process, just the baking soda. It lifted all of the buildup, all of the dirt. You seen where I started. My scalp feels so cleansed. I will say that I did notice my hair felt a little on the dry side after the baking soda, but once I put the apple cider vinegar in, as you can see, my hair has that nice shine. My curls are popping like I told you guys. Okay, this is something with apple cider vinegar. You can do this weekly as well. Like, apple cider vinegar is really good for scalp health. It has really good benefits. As you know, it's great for the body and so on and so forth, but it's going to get your curls right, and it's going to keep your scalp nice and healthy. So even though I feel like my scalp is nice and treated, I did want to follow up with a conditioner. That's just what I do on wash day anyway. So it just made me feel like my wash day was complete. So I'm just going to go and follow up with my Aussie. You guys know, if you've been rocking with me, that's my staple. Always and forever. So I'm just going to add some conditioner just to make sure my hair is softer, because I got a little scared with this baking soda. I will say that this is something that you can do weekly, but I personally will do this maybe once a month, only because I do have low porosity hair and it does have a high pH, which can dry your hair out. So I don't recommend using this method if your hair is severely damaged or like really breaking, but you can definitely try this if you want to cleanse your scalp. This is great for cleansing, removing buildup, and just stopping the itching. A lot of people I come across tell me that that's one of their biggest issues with their hair. So give this a shot. Let me know how it works. I benefited from it. My hair feels great. I'm back to normal once I added my conditioner, and I will be trying this again. So let me know if you tried it. If you did, comment down below how it worked for you. And also, if you want to see more hair videos like this in the future, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.